Hello and welcome back to InstantGMP's online software training. In this session, we're going to issue a requisition. Now that you've finished writing your first master production record, I'll guide you through the prerequisite steps needed to get ready to manufacture using a batch production record. These steps include purchasing some materials, receiving them into inventory, updating their status, and generating a batch production record. At that point, I'll guide you through the process of actually manufacturing something. Click on the Requisitions menu item. A requisition is equivalent to a purchase order. InstantGMP creates a form that can be delivered to the purchasing department to place the order. Requisitions are used to create an order form for materials needed for a specific vendor. A requisition is a prerequisite for receiving materials into inventory. You can't receive anything into inventory without a requisition. You're going to requisition the materials needed for the training project. First, click the Add New Record button, then select Training Supplier as the vendor and today's date for needed by. Click the Add Material Requisition button to add a row to the requisition. Select the Update arrow to pick Training Liquid from the list. Enter 30 as the quantity to order and liters as the unit. If you know the vendor catalog number, you would enter it here. For training purposes, enter 123. Click the C of A box to show that you want a certificate of analysis sent with the material. A certificate of analysis will have the test data for the material that you're ordering. Click the Add Material Requisition button again, and then click the Update icon for a new row. Pick the 1 ounce amber bottle. Enter 1000 as the quantity to order and each as the unit. Enter 456 as the vendor catalog number and select the MSDS box to indicate that you're looking for the material safety data sheet to come with the order. MSDS is a document that contains the information on potential hazards and how to work safely with that chemical. Now sign and confirm to bring you to the summary screen of your order. Click Requisitions in the main menu. You'll see the materials that you just ordered. There is a print icon next to each one. Click the print icon next to the 1 ounce amber bottle. A purchase order will pop up. This can be printed or emailed to your purchasing agent. Click the red X button to close this window. You have just ordered the materials needed for your project. In our next session, we'll have you receive those materials into inventory and update their status. Thank you for watching.